ChatGPT explained in one video. Let's start. So in this video we will cover how ChatGPT works, what it actually can be used for, and how to use it. Like, I will tell you how to create prompts, and lastly we will see the disadvantages of it. Let's jump right in. So first of all, if you want to go to ChatGPT, just write chatgpt.openai.com and it will let you to chatgpt.com, which is the real thing. All right. Now let's see how it works. Okay. Now how it works. So let's start off basic. Let's say it is a computer. So how computer works is that you can actually see, like, you they have fitted data, like if the person clicks here, then go to here, or do this, or say this, or do this, like that. But when ChatGPT is the case is a little different. The thing is, ChatGPT can actually do things itself because it has billions and billions of data. So it is that it has reached to that point that it can say itself. Like, it's not actually saying itself, it can reply itself. But yeah, that's the basic idea of it, of the ChatGPT thing. So let's see what are the navigation here. This is where you will ask. This is the example prompts. Okay, so a search is also called a prompt. So you prompt it to do something. This is where you get a new chat. This is your history of chats. It's a very long and it stores very nicely. This is where you can upgrade, but I don't think you need to upgrade right now. But if you're really going to upgrade, then you can do it. It's $20 per month, and remember, $20, not rupees. That will be silly. And then this is okay. I'm not okay. This is my name. This is the user's name, and this is custom instructions. So I am actually launching a new business where it's about, like, it will print books and all the stuffs, and it will write things, and it will be made using ChatGPT. So mainly books written using ChatGPT, and that's all. So here it is. You can actually tell it what you are using it for and why you are using it, and it will just reply you basis of that. So I will just turn this off because I don't want to use it right now, but you can turn it on so that the ChatGPT will answer it for like that, like you want it to answer. So let's save it. Now let's do an example prompt. Let's say create a content calendar. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. You just ask it and it will answer it. All right, let's say how to tell users in a YouTube video to subscribe. Yes, I can type. So be clear and clear. Okay, please subscribe. Give reasons. Please subscribe so that you will know how AI works. Give annotation. Here is the graphics. Timing matters. It matters. Create a channel trailer. I don't have time for that. Engage users. Nope. Utilize and screen cards. That is what I'm going to do. Okay. Express like attitude. Please do it. um Hoo ha 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 ha. Humor, that's the best humor. Include a subscribe. What? Yeah, I know I can code, but I can't do that. Sorry. All right, so it's basically nice, straightforward, and it can answer that. So this was ChatGPT 101, and yeah, that was it. ChatGPT explained in one video. This is it, and here is another video. This AI is literally money printing machine, not actually literally. It doesn't actually prints it. So go check that out, and yeah, click here to subscribe, and click here. This is another video, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.